Hey, Northlander Foundation, this is Sean. So my plans for today of getting up to Pontiac and the IFL group to go see if those conveyors were still on the ramp did not pan out, and I had to kind of scrap that plan just because my morning took a different direction and I don't want to miss my flight home today. So even though right now there's a little bit of a delay, I could have maybe pushed it, but is a great opportunity to just come out here at the edge of 4 left for arrivals and just hang out and watch airplanes land this morning, because a golden opportunity to just be here and watch traffic land here at Detroit. So something, not living near a hub and where getting to watch lots of Delta planes land, it's just not something I get to do very often. So fair consolation prize to just watch some jets land. One thing about plane spotting is, and I've talked about this before on Flight 247, is what a great way to do something as a family. Just come out to the airport, you can have a picnic, download Flight Radar 24, track the airplanes that are landing. It's such a great way. It's such a fun thing to do, and it's just exciting for kids too. And if you want your kids to be involved in aviation and to, pursue a career in some form of aviation, this is a great gateway to get your kids involved and get them excited about airplanes. It's just so cool to watch jets come in and land, coming over the top of less than 100 feet. It's just fun. It's one of the first things I remember from being a little kid is when my dad would take us out to Cecil Field in Jacksonville, Florida, and we watched Navy jets land. So I'm encouraging you to do that too. Share that with your kids. Go out and make some great memories at the airport and enjoy the rest of the footage here of flights landing at Detroit. Thanks for watching. Let's get Herman the Duck flying again. Take care. Delta 454 from Fort Myers. Delta 1346 from Miami. Delta 2217 from Charlotte. Delta Connection 4163 from Washington Dulles. Delta Connection 5446 from Cleveland. Well, sorry, Ferndale, the Pygmy Owl Frontier Flight 1582 from Atlanta. Looks like there was an adequate clearance there between the flight landing from Cleveland and Frontier's approach, so they had to do a go-around. I'm going to wrap it up here, get my rental car back, and head over to the terminal to get my spot and hang out for the flight. Again, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. So long.